Take control. Automate smarter.
Hello, shopper. If you've ever accepted a wrong batch while using ShopperX, this video is essential to help you avoid that mistake again. One of the most common reasons this happens is editing your rules while the app is still running. And yes, that can cause serious issues. Here's why. When ShopperX is active, it continues scanning and processing batches in real time. If you start changing your rules while it's running and a batch appears during the process, the bot might accept it using incomplete or mid-edited rules, resulting in a poor order that you didn't need to grab. To prevent this, here's the right way to edit your rules. Before making any changes, always click Stop to pause the automation. Then go to the Rules section and edit safely. Once your setup is complete, click Start again to resume scanning with your updated rules. This simple habit can save you from a lot of frustration and help you keep your automation working exactly the way you want. Now that you know the right approach, let's walk through it step by step in the app. Let's go.